When you receive your green cart, if you don't already have one, it can be stored alongside your black garbage cart and blue recycling cart for when you roll it out on collection day. Collections are scheduled to begin in early May, but more on that in another video. Now, if you were a subscriber to the previous green cart program, you're one step ahead, so stick with me. Every household will also be receiving this kitchen pail, which is to be used in your home for discarding food scraps. Inside, you'll find some important program information, which doubles as a pail liner, and some BPI-certified compostable pail liners. It's important to remember not to use plastic or other non-certified bags in your kitchen pail. Even products labeled as compostable, oxo-degradable, or biodegradable haven't been properly tested to ensure they'll completely break down in a commercial compost facility. Only BPI-certified liners marked with this symbol are permitted. If you choose to discard food scraps loose in the pail, you can also use 100% paper as a liner to reduce moisture and odors. For more information on effective green cart use, visit saskatoon.ca/greencart.